used to be very bothered when I would share things with my friends or family and they would say nothing, like almost worse than like negative comments, right? But they would just say nothing. And it would scare me. And it is scary. It triggers our own self-doubt. It triggers our own stories that we have about not being able to do the thing, not just being supposed to be doing the thing that we're doing. But the reason people stay quiet is not because they don't support you. It's not about you. The reason people don't say anything is because they have feelings about it, and it's usually about themselves, the way that they're not allowed to show up in the world. You actually doing the thing that you're doing makes them uncomfortable. Many people believe that we're not supposed to do those things, right? But when they see people that they care about, their friends, people that they love, people that they know doing things, it pushes up against that belief system that says, wait a minute. It's like a cognitive dissonance. And it makes them start to question their own reality, right? Like, how come I'm not doing the thing I want to do? Or, oh my gosh, she's doing the thing I want to do, or she's doing something that she wants to do. Why am I not doing my thing? That's what it pushes up against. So the next time you share something with somebody that you feel really passionate about and you feel really, really strongly about, and they don't have a reaction or they have a negative reaction, just remember that. Just remember that what you're doing is scary for them because they don't have permission yet to do something like that. And this is why I say don't share it with people, because if you have any self-doubt in your mind, in your heart, that feedback, or lack of feedback, I should say, that is going to potentially affect you and slow you down and hinder your progress. So their fear then, which is communicated through silence, is contagious. And you need to protect yourself from that contagion because they're scared. Their fear is contagious because you've got your own inner fear about the thing that you're doing, the thing that you're about to embark on. And you want that support. It's so important for us to have that support. And a lot of times we just don't get it from them. And remember what I said in my last video, once you start, that's when you're gonna find your people. Just keep that in mind.